Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 5th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from TTM Technologies, a leading global manufacturer of technology products. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TTM Technologies has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record-breaking non-GAAP net income to strong growth in key markets like data center computing and networking.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TTM Technologies reported net sales of $774.3 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, marking a 19% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
The growth is primarily driven by strong demand in the data center computing and networking markets, fueled by generative AI and data center buildouts. Additionally, the medical, industrial, and instrumentation markets saw healthy double-digit growth, while aerospace and defense also outperformed market expectations.
And how did this translate into profitability?
TTM achieved a non-GAAP net income of $74.8 million, or 70 per diluted share, setting an all-time quarterly record. This was supported by a robust adjusted EBITDA margin of 16.3%, reflecting solid execution and favorable product mix.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operational efficiency seems to be a strong point for TTM. Can you elaborate on their adjusted EBITDA and cash flow performance?
Absolutely. TTM reported an adjusted EBITDA of $126.2 million, which is 16.3% of net sales, up from 14.7% in the previous year. This improvement is due to effective cost management and operational efficiencies. Additionally, they generated $62.9 million in cash flow from operations, which is 8.1% of net sales, indicating strong cash generation capabilities.
Looking ahead, what is TTM's outlook for 2026?
For the first quarter of 2026, TTM expects net sales between $770 million and $810 million, with non-GAAP EPS ranging from 64 to 070 cents. For the full year, they anticipate sales growth in the 15% to 20% range, driven by continued demand in their key markets.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Let's discuss the insights from TTM's leadership. What did CEO Edwin Roks highlight in the report?
CEO Edwin Roks emphasized the company's strong performance, attributing it to revenue growth driven by generative AI and robust demand in aerospace and defense, as well as medical, industrial, and instrumentation markets. He also highlighted the company's focus on product innovation and strategic priorities to capitalize on growth opportunities.
How does TTM plan to maintain its competitive edge?
TTM is committed to leading product innovation and optimizing its technological and geographic capacity. This strategic focus is expected to support their growth trajectory and enhance their market position.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's talk about the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 60 cents based on a survey of 3 analysts. How did TTM perform in this regard?
TTM exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of 70 cents, beating the forecast by 10 cents. This outperformance is a testament to their strong operational execution and favorable market conditions.
What does this mean for investors?
This EPS beat reinforces investor confidence in TTM's ability to deliver strong financial results and manage market dynamics effectively. It also suggests potential for continued positive performance in the upcoming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, TTM Technologies has delivered a strong fourth quarter with impressive revenue growth and record-breaking non-GAAP net income. Their strategic focus on key markets and operational efficiencies has paid off, and the outlook for 2026 remains positive. John, any final thoughts?
TTM's performance is a clear indicator of their robust market position and strategic execution. Investors should keep an eye on their continued growth in AI and data center markets, as well as their ability to innovate and expand their product offerings.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TTM Technologies' performance in the comments below. Until next time.